What is up, gamers? Welcome to a new episode of Hypixel Bed Wars. In this video, we will be using the new rotational item in the Bed Wars item shop, the machine gun bow. It costs 2 emeralds and it can shoot like, well, a machine gun. And today we will be abusing it. Alright, we are on the map Apollo. Alright, as you can see, it's here, and if you left click with it, it instantly shoots. Alright, I'm probably just gonna take out my first rush and just go. Hope I don't die to my first rush, bro. The fact, oh god. Oh, I was gotta say that the fact that pink has been in the God, die. Yeah, yes, I got him. He's dead gone. Oh no. That block off absolutely sucked. Look at that. I'm gonna take him out and I'll go mid. But before all that, gotta stock up on some tools. He's probably gonna get some like insane stuff and come for me, but I am not afraid. I will okay, look at him. He's a goon. Bro doesn't even know how to bridge. Alright, and he is dead. He is very dead. I will take his stuff. Fireball. Very useful item. Alright. Hope no one's been mid yet. Alright, you know what? I'll get and then go mid because I really need some gear, some proper gear. You know, some proper gear before I go mid. You know what, actually? I should have upgraded my gen. Wait, no, never mind. There's just so many gens lying around the whole map in doubles. Well, maybe I should get diamond armor and then the bow because I have enough of that. I will have 8 emeralds after this. But Aqua is kind of scary. Aqua is scaring me right now. He might be coming for my bed anytime. No. I wish I could play with fake SF, man. But I'm making a video right now, and he's probably not gonna join me. I don't know. Oh, and also. Alright. Alrighty. Diamond armor and the bow. But also we have to buy props. Alright. Now we just go over. Alright. We spend some gold on that. And now we go for aqua. Oh, never mind. Now we have to go for blue. Because, well, blue seems to be a sweaty man. He has 8,000 beds. Or like, is it? Yeah, I think that's 8,000 beds, bro. And his next target is going to be me. Bro, just look at the bridge this guy made, man. Look at this bridge, bro. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what bridge you have when your bed is gone, boy. Now he's probably gonna come from my bed, which is not good. But I have the Geiga bow. The Geiga bow. I hope blue dies. I really hope so. Like, seriously, man. Ooh, will you please die, man? I came all the way across the map just to kill your bed, bruh. So please just void or something. Blue, please, I beg you. Is blue coming? Oh god, blue's coming for me. Oh, this is what he doesn't know. Boom! Yes! Whoa! My god, man! What a fireball! Now it's just Mr. Gray, and he seems to be in his base. AFKing, I guess. I don't know what he is doing. Is he gonna have a master plan or something? You know what? Maybe I'll just shoot him to death. Look at the firing speed of this thing. Or maybe I'll just farm him. You know. Broken. Oh, he's back now. Oh, you're back now. You're back now, boy. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, you are supposed to fled. But now your bed is gone, my friend. Shot him twice. Ooh, he has it. No! How? Oh my god, man. How did that just happen? That was not very good. Oh, that was funny. I just have to do this now. He should be at his own base, which means... this is the speed run across this part of the map. The absolute speed run. Oh, damn. Got nothing left now, sucker. Get back here, boy. Ooh, what? How? Oh my god. Well, this is gonna be a problem. Because now he's mid. I should have played that safer. Oh, get back here, boy. I thought you fell. Oh god. You thought I died? You think I'm gonna die to you? Huh? GG's, boy! And GG, and that is the double game of using the machine gun bow. Alright, that was real nice. Alright, and that's about it. I just wanted to make a short video about how insane the machine gun bow is. If you like my content, please leave a like and subscribe. Watching all of my other videos is very encouraging too. See you in the next one. Bye.